The drop in the mean sperm count in normal men in the last half-century is between 40 to 50, say experts. Here are some points you need to keep in mind if you want to increase your sperm count. Quit smoking and alcohol. Smoking impairs sperm count and motility, reduces sperm lifespan, and may also cause genetic changes that affect the offspring. Similarly, alcohol lowers the production of sperm and of the male hormone testosterone. Exercise regularly, but the intensity and duration should be moderate and under supervision, if possible. Excessive physical exercise has a negative influence on fertility. Lose excess weight, as it tends to cause testosterone, estrogen imbalances. Eat nutritious food, which is low in fat and high in protein, vegetables and whole grains. Reduce caffeine intake. Avoid excessive usage of lubricants and vaginal tablets, they can also cause sperm death. Do not store your cell phone in the trouser pocket, or place your laptop on your lap. Protect testicles from too much heat. Avoid high temperature conditions. Once in a while it is fine to take steam baths, spas. Wear loose undergarments. Reduce stress levels by learning relaxation techniques like yoga and meditation. Take a conscious effort to balance the physical and mental health. Physical fitness and mental relaxation improve male fertility. Anabolic steroids should be taken under the guidance of a proper doctor, as it can lead to azoospermia, the term used when there is a complete absence of sperms. Intake of vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E and zinc should be regular. Reactive oxygen species, ROS, are present in the semen. When the ROS are present at a high level, it can result in significant damage to the semen. Vitamins can decrease the level of ROS. Vitamins help in synthesis and development and maintenance of the normal sperms, and they help in avoiding the clumping of sperms. It is important to maintain good sexual health. Regular intercourse in a stable relationship reduces the chances of infections and improves the fertility. Inputs from Dr. Firuza Parekh, Director, Department of Assisted Reproduction and Genetics, Jaslock Hospital and Research Center, Dr. Duri Shah, Associate Consultant Obstetrician, Gynecologist, and Endoscopic Surgeon, Dr. Sandeep Main, Consultant Gynecological Endoscopic Surgeon, Haranadani Hospital. Yet another exciting episode for the new season. Guys, if you have any topic ideas, please leave them in the comment box below or email me and I'll make sure to gather all the facts to discuss it.